What's up, average dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and yes, I'm as giddy as a schoolgirl for good reason. The Vivo X Fold 6 has landed in the studio, and it's not just any Vivo X Fold 6. It's the limited edition black and gold. Now, full disclosure, I just seen black and gold limited edition from a supplier and I said, yeah, I'll have that one. I have no idea if this is any different to the standard X Fold 6. I assume it's 1 terabyte, it's 1 terabyte of storage. But anyway, you and I are going to unbox it together, see what's inside the box, talk through the specifications of this and the ordinary X Fold 6, which I still think are the same. So without further ado, let's go. Here it is, the Vivo X Fold 6 limited edition. Now, again, I don't think there's any differences whatsoever other than the colour. We'll crack it open and I'll just remind you of the fantastic flagship specs on this foldable device. I have a bias towards Vivo, so if you hear me gushing throughout this video, you're just going to have to deal with it because they make fantastic foldable phones. Now, let's crack this open. No matter how often I get a new device, that new phone day feeling, you know that feeling? It never goes away, folks. I can assure you, the day this feeling leaves me will be the day I quit YouTube. Now, let's take off the gold sleeve. And to be honest, folks, I think the gold sleeve might be the only difference other than the colour of the phone. Because your X Fold 6, if you've ordered the black, the white, the stunning aqua blue colour, yeah, it's going to come in a box like this. There just won't be a gold sleeve. So don't feel like you're missing out too much. Now, as mentioned, this is the 1 terabyte of storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM version, which you can pick up through the Average Dad Tech Store. So, I should also say, of course, this is China only. Yes, while the other variants of the X Fold 6 will be coming global, keep an eye on this channel for updates. The black and gold limited edition will only be coming to China. So if you want this, you're going to have to order the Chinese version. But fear not, because if you're a keen-eyed viewer of this channel, you will know that Vivo devices, whether they're Chinese or global, run Origin OS now, with Android Auto support, full Google Play Store, essentially no workarounds other than eSIM, which might be coming soon to Chinese versions near you. Anyway, let's see what else is inside the box. So yeah, as predicted, it's a standard affair here. You get your 80 watt fast charging plug, which isn't branded in any way with black and gold. You get your USB C to C cable. Yes, it's USB C to C. And yeah, nothing else limited or special about this, which I did expect, but I don't know. If you're making a limited edition or a special colorway, give us something extra in the box. Make this black and gold, for example. Anyway, I assume the case is going to be different. Okay, so it is a black case, which I'm actually unsure if this is any different to the black case you will get with the black phone. It is premium, it does have hinge protection, it does have a textured back, which is good for grip, but I am not seeing any signs of gold anywhere here, so how funny would it be if I opened this up and it was just the standard black phone after recording all this video? So yeah, so far it is just a standard unboxing. Let's take a look at the device. So before we turn it over and see the back, I think it's important we discuss the crease, or lack thereof. A lot of people online have been saying the X Fold 6 isn't quite as good as the N6, but it is improved. Now, straight out the gate, you can see this is far better than 99% of foldable phones out there. But time will tell if it's going to hold up as much as the N6. Let's give it a fold. Let's open it. Let's give it a fold. Keep it folded for a second or two. Throw it away, why don't I? Let's open it. And, I mean, yeah, look, after its first fold, you can see there is a crease. You can feel it. For comparison, the Honor Magic V6, I technically probably shouldn't be doing this embargo-wise, but hey-ho. Yeah, the screen won't go fully off, which is, oh, there we go. Well, it's not fully off, but yeah, I mean, it is better than the V6. Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah, so the crease is better than the V6, I would say. So the V6, which needs a wipe, I know, has a more noticeable crease than the X Fold 6. There we go. Full versus video coming, trust me. Now, let's see. Is there anything different about the rear of this device? Oh. Very, very subtly, there is gold accents around the camera ring and the gold hinge. Now, specs-wise, we're under a centimetre, 9.9 millimetres when folded. I believe it's 4.4 millimetres unfolded. It's 236 grams. It's a 6.5 inch outer. Let's just power this on. And an 8 inch inner screen. Camera wise, triple setup, 200 megapixel 1/1.4 inch main sensor. The ultra wide and the 3x optical telephoto are newer model sensors, but based on last year's X Fold 5 sensors, which isn't a bad thing. Flagship cameras for sure. No, they are not bleeding edge. There is no 200 megapixel zoom lens, but these cameras are the best you're going to get on any foldable device, in my opinion. And as promised, Original OS on this. Simply from the drop down, choose your language and set up the phone as normal. So, first impressions video will follow in the next 24 to 48 hours. The versus video I've talked about, that'll come soon. There you go. I have to say, I'm being entirely honest, a slightly underwhelming unboxing experience for a limited edition phone. But for any other unboxing, you get your plug, you get your cable, you get a premium case with hinge protection. It's a great unboxing experience, just as I say, slightly underwhelming. I'll give you one more look at it and then I'll throw it back to me for the Average Dad monthly prize draw. Good luck, everyone. And now for the moment some of you have been waiting for. Every single month I do a prize draw. Yes, on the first of every month, there is a prize draw for people that purchase tickets through the Average Dad Tech Store. You can purchase 5 tickets for £5, 20 tickets for £10, or 50 tickets for £20. There is also a free entry option. Simply email in this mailbox and you're entitled to 1 free ticket per draw. Yes, so every month, set a little reminder and pop an email to the support mailbox. Now, the prize for this month was actually TBD. I hadn't quite decided when I recorded last month's draw. So, to make it simple, I'm going to give the winner a choice. You can choose the brand new Vivo X300 FE or $1,000 of Average Dad Store credit. So yes, a free entry could have just resulted in you winning $1,000. mental. And for those wondering, the dedicated prize draw videos weren't doing too well algorithm-wise. It was actually messing things up. That's why I've just included it in other videos, like today's unboxing and first look of the Vivo X Fold 6. So, without further ado, let's spin the wheel. I can tell you, as you can see on the right-hand side here, 1,500 tickets were purchased this month. Now, while that seems like a lot, remember it's only £20 for 50. So yeah, it might just cover the $1,000 I'm giving away. Although after card fees and taxes, probably not. But that's okay. Anyway, let's spin the wheel. There we have it. The winner is order number 7268. And of course, due to the magic of editing, I have checked this up and it is you, Thomas Mikos. Congratulations. I will be in touch through email. You can then let me know if you want an X300 FE delivered to you or $1,000 of Average Dad Store credit to use at any point you want. There's no expiration date on this. It's all flexible and completely up to you. Now, in terms of August 1st prize draw, I am giving away the Red Magic 11S Pro and a brand new gaming tablet from Red Magic that is under embargo, so I can't tell you anything about it, but you guys are smart. You'll work it out. Yes, a gaming tablet, a very, very high-end gaming tablet, and the most flagship of flagship devices, the Red Magic 11S Pro, will be the prizes for August the 1st draw. Reminder, Average Dad Tech Store, link in description to purchase your tickets for that draw. So, there we have it. Congratulations, Thomas. You have just won probably $1,000 in store credit, but you may choose the FE. As for what's coming up next, tomorrow I will be dropping my full review of the Honor Magic V6 UK global version because yes, the UK embargo lifts very soon, so I'll have content out on that. And of course, you can be damn sure there will be a versus video between this and the stunning X Fold 6. So if you haven't already, smash subscribe. We're starting our long road to 1 million subscribers. Until next time.